Hey guys, Sarah Banas here. I'm going to show you today how to layer self-adhesive vinyl, okay? This is super easy and this method is fail-proof. So this is just a small sheet of parchment paper. You get this in the baking section at the grocery store. This is not wax paper. This is parchment paper. It's baking paper. It's a little different, okay? So you can see I have two layers. This is my bottom layer. And then this is my top layer. I already put it on to the transfer tape, right? So I'm going to take that. Let me get this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it so that almost all of it, except for the top, just the very top, like about that much of the top. See how much I left off of there? About that much of the top is off. And the rest is on the parchment paper, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put that right behind it. And I can see where it lines up. See, and I see how I can move it around freely? And I can see where that lines up. And don't want to push that top part down quite yet. I mean, if you do, you can still peel it up because it's just that tiny little bit. But then just line it up perfectly. See, I got that all lined up nice and perfect. Let me just take 1 second here so I can make sure I have this right. Okay, and then what you do is then you just tap the top part. See how I'm tapping that top part that the parchment paper isn't on? I'm just tapping that right down on that bottom layer. And then I'm going to hinge this right up. I'm going to hinge that whole thing up with the parchment paper. And then I'm just going to peel that parchment paper right off of there. Okay, and now I just lay it in. And that's it. And that is going to be a perfect layer. I'll show you in 1 second. I could have been a little bit more careful. I could have gotten it a little bit better, but that is the idea. That is how you get a perfect 2-layer or more, however many you're doing. But that is how you layer vinyl. Have a good day. Bye.